This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the phone that doesn't just look next generation, but thinks next generation. From groundbreaking AI features to stunning design upgrades, Samsung is changing the way we think about smartphones. Stay tuned as we break down the 8 must-know highlights that make this phone a true game-changer. Let's dive in. Right out of the box, the S25 Ultra feels sleeker, lighter, and more polished than its predecessor. We're talking about a 15-gram weight reduction and a body that's only 0.4mm thinner, making it Samsung's slimmest Ultra model to date. The titanium frame and Gorilla Glass Armor 2 improved durability by 29% over last year's model. That's a big deal, especially considering Samsung already cut screen damage by 60% with their previous glass tech. However, while the body screams innovation, the color options don't. Despite flashy names like titanium silver blue or titanium white silver, they feel more like dull shades of gray. On the bright side, Samsung finally rounded off those sharp corners, making it easier on the hands. But before you celebrate, the flat edges might still feel less ergonomic compared to phones with curved designs, like Google's Pixel 8a. Let's talk about the display. It's gone from 68 inches to a massive 69 inches. Pair that with bezels that are 15% smaller, and you've got an even more immersive viewing experience packed into a slimmer design. This is undoubtedly one of Samsung's strongest selling points. Moving on to the software, the Galaxy S25 Ultra debuts Samsung's latest One UI 7, and it's a massive leap forward. Last year's One UI was already a huge upgrade, but this time, Samsung has nailed it with a brighter, faster, and more customizable interface. Widgets can now be endlessly rearranged, and the quick settings menu is cleaner than ever. Plus, everything runs lightning fast. This phone screams efficiency while maintaining that fun and clean aesthetic users love. But where the S25 Ultra truly stands out is its AI suite. Samsung is serious about turning your phone into a smart assistant. Cross-app actions. Imagine holding down the power button and saying, "When's the next concert? Add it to my calendar." It searches online, grabs the details, and creates an event for you. Sure, it's a work in progress, but this is the beginning of a smarter, more connected device. AI Select generative features. Need a screenshot? Edited AI Select removes distractions automatically. Want to turn a photo into a GIF or add artistic flair to an image? Done? Personalized AI. The phone learns from your emails, reminders, and browsing history, if you allow it, to help you stay ahead, like reminding you about expiring coupons or sudden traffic delays before your flight. That said, there's a catch. Samsung's advanced Galaxy AI will be free only until the end of 2025, after which subscription costs might apply. It's a bold move, but AI is central to Samsung's vision for the future. On the photography side, the generative editor has leveled up. Removing distractions or filling in gaps looks seamless, and you can now blend photos, drawings, and text into one creative masterpiece. Whether you're a casual user or a creator, this is a game changer. While AI and software shine, the hardware holds its ground too. The S25 Ultra's screen isn't just bigger, it's also equipped with an upgraded anti-reflective coating that cuts down glare even more effectively than the previous model. Add that to improved durability, and this is a phone built to last. The Galaxy S25 Ultra feels like a step into the future. Samsung isn't just iterating. They're redefining how we use smartphones, from smarter AI to more durable designs. While there are still some quirks, like the color options or flat edges, it's hard to deny that the S25 Ultra is a significant leap forward.